डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम एसएससी पार्ट 1 यानी 9th क्लास का कंप्यूटर साइंस का मॉडल पेपर जो हैदराबाद बोर्ड ने पब्लिश किया है उसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे। कंप्यूटर साइंस के पेपर के लिए टोटल टाइम ड्यूरेशन 2 आवर्स है और टोटल मार्क्स जो हैं सब्जेक्टिव पार्ट के वो हैं 60। सेक्शन ए में हमारे पास मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन हैं जिनका टाइम जो है हमारे पास 30 मिनट्स है और सेक्शन ए की जो मार्क्स हैं 30 मार्क्स का है और हमारे पास 30 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, चूज द करेक्ट आंसर। द बेसिक ऑपरेशंस परफॉर्म्ड बाय अ कंप्यूटर आर ए अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेशंस, बी लॉजिकल ऑपरेशंस, सी data processing, D all the above. Correct answer is D all the above. Number 2, both physical and logical addresses are A different, B unique, C permanent, D temporary. Correct answer is A different. Number 3, all HTML documents start with A head tag, B body tag, C HTML tag, D \HTML tag. Correct answer is C HTML tag. Number 4, the most common text entering device is A light pen, B joystick, C keyboard, D mouse. Correct answer is C keyboard. Number 5, 1 gigabyte is equal to A 1024 bits, B 1000 megabytes, C 1024 kilobytes, D 1024 megabytes. Correct answer is D 1024 megabytes. Number 6, analog computers work on the supply of A continuous electrical pulses, B pulses but not continuous, C magnetic strength, D none of the above. Correct answer is A continuous electrical pulses. Number 7, the computer that processes both analog and digital data is called A analog computer, B digital computer, C hybrid computer, D mainframe computer. Correct answer is C hybrid computer. Number 8, graphical user interface was developed in A second generation, B fourth generation, C mechanical era, D electromechanical era. Correct answer is B fourth generation. Number 9, the first generation computers were programmed by A assembly language, B machine language, C source code, D object code. Correct answer is B machine language. Number 10, fifth generation computers were based on A programming intelligence, B artificial intelligence, system knowledge, D very large scale integration. Correct answer is B artificial intelligence. Any data or instructions entered into the memory of computer is considered as A storage, B output, C input, D information. Correct answer is C input. Number 12, MICR stands for A magnetic ink code reader, B magnetic ink character recognition, C magnetic ink cases reader, D none of the above. Correct answer is B magnetic ink character recognition. Number 13, the most powerful, fastest and largest computers are A microcomputers, B mainframe computers, C mini computers, D supercomputers. Correct answer is D supercomputers. Number 14, desktops, laptops, tablets and smartphones are example of A special purpose computers, B. General purpose computers, C. Analog computers, D. Hybrid computers. Correct answer is B. General purpose computers. Number 15. An electric path on which data is sent and received by different components is A. Register, B. Port, C. Bus, D. Clock. Correct answer is C. Bus. Number 16. The program that is generally installed to manage and maintain overall computer resource is A. Operating system, B. Utility program, C. Language translator, D. Device driver. Correct answer is A. Operating system. Number 17. Microsoft Word is an example of A. An operating system, B. Processing device, C. Application software, D. System software. Correct answer is C. Application software. Number 18. Which of the following is not paper size? A. Legal, B. Executive, C. Landscape, D. A3. Correct answer is C. Number 19. A process of checking computer and starting operating system is A. File management, B. Booting, C. Resource management, D. Memory management. Correct answer is B. Booting. Number 20. Computer spreadsheet cell is highlighted with a heavy border is A. Active cell, B. Cell containing a formula, C. Locked cell, D. Cell. Correct answer is A. Active cell. Number 21. Selecting text means selecting A word, B. An entire sentence, C. Whole document, D. Any of the above. Correct answer is D. Any of the above. Number 22. Which is not in MS Word? A. Italic, B. Magnetic tool, C. Font, D. Bold. Correct answer is B. Magnetic tool. Number 23. In Excel, columns are labeled as A, B, C, etc. B, 1, 2, 3, etc. C, A1, A2, A3, etc. D, $A, $1, $A, $2, etc. Correct answer is A, B, C. Number 24. Which of the following is not a type of page margin? A, right, B, left, C, top, D, center. Correct answer is D, center. Number 25. An intermediate storage area which is available inside microprocessor is A, cache, B, register, C, clock, D, secondary storage. Correct answer is A, cache. Number 26. Which menu in MS Word can be used to change character size and typeface? A. View, B. Tools, C. Format, D. Data. Correct answer is C. Format. Number 27. The intersection of a column and a row on a worksheet is called A. Address, B. Column, C. Value, D. Cell. Correct answer is D. Cell. Number 28. Formula in MS Excel always starts with A. An bracket sign, B. An equal sign, C. A plus sign, D. A greater than sign. Correct answer is B. An equal sign. Number 29. A program enables user to interact with computer is called A. My document, B. Start menu, C. Desktop, D. Interface. Correct answer is D. Interface. Number 30. The software is used to format a document is A. MS Word, B. MS Excel, C. MS PowerPoint, D. MS Access. Correct answer is A. MS Word. अब हम सेक्शन बी को सॉल्व करेंगे। सेक्शन बी में जो हमें क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं उनके जो आंसर देने हैं वो शॉर्ट आंसर देने हैं और सेक्शन बी के लिए जो मार्क्स हैं वो हैं 18 नोट। अटेम्प्ट एनी 6 क्वेश्चंस एंड ईच क्वेश्चन कैरीज 3 मार्क्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, डिस्कस फर्स्ट जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स। आंसर इज question number 3. Differentiate between data rate and baud rate. Answer is question number 4. List the functions of an operating system. Write briefly about any one. Answer is question number 5. Discuss margins, orientations and paper size options in page setup group. Answer is question number 6. Define importance of computer security. Answer is question number 7. Differentiate between analog and digital signals. Question number 8. Define properties of a good communication system. Answer is question number 9. Differentiate between physical address and logical address. Answer is question number 10. Define the following terms. Answer is सेक्शन बी के हमने इस वीडियो में तमाम सवाल सॉल्व किए हैं। लेकिन आपको पेपर में इनमें से कोई भी 6 सवाल अटेम्प्ट करने हैं। अब हम सेक्शन सी को सॉल्व करेंगे। सेक्शन सी में हमें लॉन्ग आंसर मतलब डिटेल्ड आंसर देने होंगे और सेक्शन सी के जो टोटल मार्क्स हैं वो हैं 12। नोट, attempt any 2 questions and each question carries 6 marks. Question number 11. What is database? Discuss any 2 basic components of database management system. Answer is question number 12. What is computer network? Define any 2 types of network. Answer is question number 13. What is topology? Explain any 2 types of topology. Answer is question number 14. Write short notes on any 2 of the following. सेक्शन सी के हमने इस वीडियो में चारों क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, 12, 13 एंड 14। लेकिन आप लोगों को पेपर में इनमें से कोई भी 2 क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करने हैं। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, गुड बाय, बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर एग्जाम्स।